Hey guys, Josh here with a review of Giorgio Armani Acqua di Profondo. This is gorgeous. This is a very, very, very good perfume. Surprisingly very good. I owned Profumo before this one. And when I sprayed this on a little paper, I wasn't too impressed. I was like, okay, this smells, a bit boring. It smells like Acqua di Gio, but I guess a bit more modernized, if you will. To me, it just smelled bland. This is a fragrance that you cannot just smell on a test paper or a test strip. You have to try this on your skin. It is very impressive, unique, and different. I think Jeremy Fragrance said this is a longer lasting Acqua di Gio. It's not. Although it is a Acqua di Gio flanker and it does smell like the original, it doesn't smell exactly like it. This one is fresher and it has a very, very unique mineral accord or mineral sort of water feel to it. I compare it kind of to like a fountain water. Like if you go traveling and there's a nice fountain out in London, let's say, the smell of the water hitting the rock, that mineral sort of the mineral sort of feel, that's what you get in this. And it's really, really interesting because it sets it off from other summer fresh fragrances that I've smelled, because I haven't really had a take of that sort of mineral accord, and to me it's very, very unique. I will spray it on myself because I don't have a scent of the night, so this will be my scent of the night. 1, 2, and you know me, I always spray my elbow. Because if you're wearing a t-shirt, that's one of the best places to put it, is right here. Because if I were to put it on my wrist or something, then when I'm driving or, writing with the pen, it starts rubbing off on whatever surface. I mean, you don't touch your elbows very frequently. And my elbow's a bit dirty because I had a bandage on there. But anyways, yeah. The opening is different than when it dries down. When it starts drying down, you're gonna get that orange, sea notes, and as I said, that mineral accord. To start off, you get that very, very bright citrus. This is pretty long lasting. I'd say a good 6 hours, maybe 6.5, maybe 7, around that mark. It's pretty good for a Acqua di Gio. It's, I think, as good as original in terms of performance, or even a little bit better. Not as good as Profumo, which lasts, man, that thing lasts forever. But this is good. It performs well. It smells unique. I'm giving this a 8 out of 10. It's a solid perfume. And when can you wear this? Well, I'd say mostly spring and summer. You could do fall. Winter, I just don't see myself wearing this in the winter because it's very refreshing. And I'm not saying you can't wear a refreshing scent in the winter. You can, by all means. But the winter, I think, is better to wear something a bit more sophisticated and warm, like a Stronger With You, or a Sauvage, or I haven't smelt Dolce & Gabbana, the one, in a long time, but that's something, that's similar sort of vibe, you want to go for something a bit more warm and meant for cold weather. Some will say Eros by Versace. But yeah, so I wouldn't say this is a winter scent, but spring and summer, very, very good. Summer, incredible. It is boiling hot outside, and yeah, perfect for this kind of weather. I think it's 35 Celsius. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit, but not a lot of people use Fahrenheit. I believe it's only 3 countries. I believe it's the United States, Liberia, and Cambodia. I think those are the only 3 countries that use Fahrenheit, which is interesting. But yeah, guys, pick this up. You can't go wrong with it. It's a bit pricey. I'll probably do a review on the Profumo, and I'll do a comparison to the both. So I'll do a video where I walk through, you know, both the fragrances and compare them to each other and see which one I like better, which is, I think, a really interesting thing to do because they're similar yet so different, and they're so unique, man. This might be, honestly, this might be my favorite line, is the Acqua di Gio line, because, man, it just, you can never go wrong with them. Anyways, guys, thank you for listening. I had a lot of fun in this video. Stay tuned for more videos, and you guys are doing the subscriptions. You're bumping up my subscriptions really well and leaving great feedback, so I really appreciate it. And you know, if you have any suggestions or you have any criticism, feel free to leave it. I want to hear your feedback on things, and yeah, thank you guys. Okay, bye.